In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make phone calls in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams. Once Teams is on screen, go to the left sidebar and click Chat. In the chat list, click an existing conversation with the person you want to call. This opens that chat so you can call directly from the conversation. Now, move to the top right corner of the chat window and click the phone icon. As soon as you click it, Teams starts dialing the other person. You'll see the calling screen appear with their name and a ringing indicator, so you know the call is in progress. While the call is active, use the controls in the top toolbar to manage the call. Click the microphone icon to mute or unmute yourself. When you want to stop the other person from hearing you, click the microphone once to mute. Click it again to unmute and speak normally. Next to that, use the camera icon to turn your video on or off. Click the camera icon if you want to enable video during the call. Click it again if you want to turn video back off. If you need to show something on your screen, click Share in the top toolbar. This opens the screen sharing control so you can share your screen during the call. Also look toward the left side of the toolbar. Depending on your organization's calling setup, you may see additional options such as Dial Pad, Hold, or Transfer. These controls appear based on how Teams calling is configured where you work, and they are available from that area of the toolbar during the call. When you're ready to finish the conversation, click the red phone icon. That ends the call immediately. You can also start a call from a person's profile in Teams. Anywhere you see a person's name or profile picture in Teams, such as in a chat list, a channel post, or search results, click on their profile picture. This opens their contact card. On that contact card, click the phone icon to start the call. There's another way to make calls using the Calls area. In the left sidebar, click Calls. If you do not see calls in the sidebar, go to the bottom of the sidebar, click the three-dot menu, and add calls from there. Once calls is visible, click it to open the calling workspace. In the Calls section, click the search bar on the left side. In the To field, type the person's name. Say the name naturally as you enter it, and wait a moment for Teams to show matching results. When the correct person appears in the list, click their name to select them. Then click the Call button to place the call. The Call section also gives you access to your recent call history. In the center of the screen, you'll see a list that includes outgoing calls, incoming calls, and missed calls. To quickly call someone back, hover over a contact in your call history. When the Call button appears, click it to call that person again. On the right side of the Calls section, you'll also see Speed Dial. This area shows contacts you can pin for quicker access, making it possible to call frequently contacted people with one click from that section. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. So there are three main ways to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. You can call from an existing chat by opening the conversation and clicking the phone icon. You can call from a person's profile card by clicking their profile picture and then the phone icon. Or you can open the Call section, search for the person in the To field, select them, and click the Call button. During the call, the main controls stay available in the toolbar, so you can mute or unmute with the microphone icon. Turn video on or off with the camera icon. Share your screen with Share. And in some setups use options like Dial Pad, Hold, or Transfer. When the call is over, click the red phone icon to end it.